ETL testing sounds simple. Verify extract counts, validate transformations, and match targets. But in practice, manual testing breaks down at every step. This overview opens on cross-journey, people and process issues, then moves on to core stages, extraction, transformation, and loading. This overview is comprised of 6 segments. We'll start with the cross-journey people and process gaps. These are the issues that hit every stage. Manual comparisons are tedious. People eyeball rows from source and target. It's slow and error-prone. Regression is often skipped. When logic changes, teams rush and skip full retests. Old bugs sneak back into production. Transformation logic gets lost. Rules live in people's heads or one-off notes. Gaps in documentation mean gaps in coverage. No proactive monitoring. Without alerts, quality dips and pipeline failures go unnoticed for too long. Moving on to extraction challenges. Multi-source coordination is heavy. Databases, files, and APIs all move differently. Keeping them in sync by hand is hard. Volume limits. Manual checks can handle a few hundred rows. Your sources have millions or billions. Schema drift gets missed. Column names or data types change, and manual tracking can't keep up. Format mismatches. CSVs, JSON, Parquet. Each needs different parsing and comparison logic. Incremental loads are tricky. Proving you extracted only new or updated records is tough by hand. External APIs add risk. Downtime or rate limits create edge cases that are hard to test manually. Up next, transformation validation. Complex rules are error-prone. Calculations, aggregations, conditionals, checking them by hand is risky. Math at scale is impractical. Verifying results across millions of records manually doesn't work. Field mappings are painful. Making sure every field maps correctly from source to target takes a lot of time. Edge cases slip. Nulls, duplicates, outliers. Manual tests treat them inconsistently. Lineage is slow to trace. Tracking how data changes over multiple steps takes too long, and lineage gaps hurt root cause analysis. Finally, we load and try to reconcile. Target reconciliation is fragile. Different structures and formats make side-by-side comparisons slow and fussy. Record-level validation eats hours. You still miss issues because you can't check everything. Referential integrity needs many checks. Primary keys, foreign keys must hold. Manual checks are repetitive. Performance blind spots. At scale, you need benchmarking and monitoring. Without it, you won't see bottlenecks. Warehouse query validation is specialized. It requires special expertise to confirm that queries return what the business expects. Many teams turn to scripts to automate parts of this, but they introduce new problems. Brittle to change. Scripts couple tightly to schemas. Small changes break them, often silently. Constant rework and tech debt. As schemas and rules evolve, scripts need non-stop updates. Single-purpose logic. What you built for one source or rule doesn't reuse well elsewhere. Developer only. You need SQL or Python skills to write and maintain them, which limits who can test. No enterprise workflow. Standalone scripts usually lack monitoring, alerting, or incident management. Weak error visibility. When things fail, you don't get clear clues for root cause. And here are the final takeaways. Manual work and one-off scripts can't keep pace with modern ETL. They don't scale to real-world volumes. They break when schemas change. They leave gaps in lineage, accuracy, and performance. And they rely on a few experts, which creates bottlenecks. In conclusion, manual testing and scripts do not warrant scalable quality.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Scan the below QR code for free demo. Thank you.